Welcome to this tutorial review and unboxing of the OURLINK high gain USB wireless adapter. Okay, let's take a look at the box. Okay, so let's open the box. Okay, so here's the adapter. It's USB 3.0. And here's the stand. Here's the cable that goes into the computer, and this sits like a dock. Just plug that in like so. And this lifts up. Here's the driver. And here's the manual. So let's take a look at the manual. Okay, so I'm going to connect it to a computer and let's see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to install the software. Okay, so go to driver, Windows, setup. Okay, now that the driver is installed, we're going to plug the adapter in. Okay, when you hear that sound, that means that the USB detected the adapter, and now it has to recognize it. Okay, so the utility has picked up the adapter. Let's see if there's a connection now. Let's go to Wi-Fi 2. And as you can see here, when this light flashes, it means that it's detected and it's working. As you can see, here are the connections. So there you go. This was an instructional tutorial review and unboxing of the OURLINK high gain USB wireless adapter. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.